It's hard to take action. Waking up early is hard. Eating healthy is challenging. The endogenous substance of discomfort we feel, rushing through our bodies from head to toe when faced with taking action, oftentimes leads us to not want to take action at all. So we sleep in. We decide to go to the gym tomorrow. We push back changing our eating habits until January 1st. Instead, we decide to catch up on YouTube videos, scroll through TikTok for a while still laying in bed, check what all of our friends are doing on Instagram, letting our next move be decided for us, based off of other creators, entertainers, and friends. We allow the feeling of inaction to overtake us. We convince ourselves that we have been working extremely hard, we have a lot going on, and that taking a little bit of time to ourselves is exactly what we need. We convince ourselves that we deserve to lay on the couch. We haven't watched Netflix in months. Today is just not a good day to take action. And this TV show, this social media post, this excuse is the solution to avoiding the pain of action, completely unaware that this inaction is actually creating stagnation. Rather than facing the pain of action head on, we decide to be consumed with inaction. Rather than following our vision immediately, we let opportunity after opportunity pass by. As the clock ticks, the days end, the calendar flips, more and more opportunities pass by us completely. Our responsibilities, problems, and concerns continue to grow as our window to take action shrinks. Most like to avoid taking action because with action comes pain. What if the grass is not greener? What if the sun isn't shining brighter? What if? Pain is something that comes with life, regardless of whether we run towards the action camp or the inaction bunker. There is no escaping it, there is no outrunning it. Regardless of your past or your destiny, it's not possible to not endure pain. Unfortunately, this reality does not come to fruition for a lot of people. A lot of people believe that there isn't another way to look at things. And those people who do look at things in different light are lucky, selfish, delusional. A lot of people don't understand that regardless of siding with team action or inaction, pain will find you. The pain of action I like to refer to as acceptance. Acceptance of the fact that life is hard, and this hardship is going to force you to grow. For every day we spend striving to be better, being proactive, and attacking our goals, we aren't avoiding pain, but more so saying, give me your best shot. We are embracing pain. We understand that there is a plan in place for us on this earth, and we aren't going to crumble under the pressure. And by embracing pain, by not trying to outrun it, we are transformed by it. We look in the mirror and see someone we are proud to be, someone that is dependable, someone with meaning, all because we accepted the pain, all because we accepted the challenge. The pain of inaction is exactly the opposite. Inaction is running from the pain. This pain is a slow death. It eats away at you, almost like a poison. Things slowly begin to fall apart, crumble, and become distant. We begin to let ourselves go, release our dreams we once so much believed in, and eventually lose respect for ourselves. Our mentality worsens, our vision becomes blurry, and we decide the deck is stacked against us. Inaction is a word for those who have quit, a word for those who avoid the pain, a word for those who would rather allow pain to overtake us. Inaction is the pain we feel day after day when we continue to push something off until tomorrow. Inaction is a loser's mentality, and we must ask ourselves as we come to this fork in the road, as we realize we need to choose a direction. What is best for us? Action, the path of fighting back, or inaction, the path of giving up?